Hey y'all, what's up? What's good? Merry Christmas. You guys know on Christmas I had to do something a little bit different, and I want to give you guys a little overview of our holiday meal. This video is going to feature me and my mom making like a corn mac choux crawfish pie ordeal, mini pies that is, and a seafood scalloped potatoes with fresh Gulf shrimp, Louisiana crawfish, and lump crab meat. So let's get into it. As you can see, I started off by sauteing all of my seafood. The crawfish is cooked, so I made sure that my shrimp were already finished cooking before I add the crawfish in, and that same goes for the crab meat. The crab meat is fully cooked, so I add that in at the end. Each pie crust only took about 2 tablespoons worth of filling, so it really didn't take us having to make a lot. That's why with the leftover seafood I was able to use it for the scalloped potatoes, so it was really a 2-for-1 type of meal. These items paired really well together. Then you're going to see me going and starting my cream sauce. I am using heavy whipping cream for this. And as you can see, it is thoroughly seasoned. So I'm just going to stir that in and allow that to cook before I add in my seafood. Now, when it comes to the holidays, I love cooking non-traditional food. My mom does too. Once I get an idea, we just run with it. And the theme for this holiday was definitely seafood. So with all these dishes, everything just came together so well. I'm telling you, it is worth buying the Louisiana crawfish and the Gulf shrimp and the lump crab meat that's not in a can, of course, because the freshness of that seafood really does make a big impact on your dish. Like, both of these were so good. So the creamy sauce is for the scalloped potatoes, and the same like crawfish base went into these pies. I just didn't add any cream to it. I think I actually added like maybe a cream of shrimp soup. That is a major hack. If you are cooking and you don't use some type of cream of soup, like I like to call it, cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, cream of shrimp, cream of celery, something, those add so much flavor. So whenever you are making something, especially I see a lot of people use like a cream of shrimp for their etouffee, it just makes it stretch and it makes it a nice thick consistency, having that condensed soup in your recipes. So it makes a really big difference. As you can see, I have some corn in there. That is corn that I like cut up myself and froze, and I thawed it out and added it to my mixture. Once again, this is not a tutorial, so I'm not showing everything. But these pies are like little mini pie crusts. I had to like pre-bake them a little bit. Then I put the mixture in there, and we're just going to bake these. It really didn't take long to bake at all. I did put a little bit of cheese on top. Now, when it comes to cheese, make sure you are shredding your own cheese and not using the pre-shredded stuff. Like that, it has so many additives and potato starches. You just want fresh grated cheese. I think I put like mozzarella on top, and these were so good. Like, I wish I had more of these. It was just so good. Okay. And then for the scalloped potatoes, like I said, it's so important to use the right cheeses, because some of my cheeses added like a little bit of grease to it. But when I tell you it wasn't stopping the show, it was not stopping the show. We ate those scalloped potatoes up until there was no more leftovers. It was just so good. It was so good. Those were very cheesy and so creamy. We absolutely love the scalloped potatoes. Make sure you're using, like, I think it's called the Yukon Gold potatoes, because the different potatoes do make a difference in the taste. These are really good, and they softened up really well. I saw some people like to boil their potatoes before doing scalloped potatoes, but I don't find that necessary. You can cut it with a mandolin or cut it by hand. and it basically gets the job done. I think this turned out very well. If you were looking for some inspiration for your holiday meal, hopefully this is it. I'm going to try to put this video out a little bit earlier for you guys, so if you need a last minute meal, I hope I gave you guys some inspiration. I hope you all have a blessed day, spending with your families, spending eating some good food, and I'll see you guys for the last day of Michaela month tomorrow, which is my birthday. Your girl is turning 24, so I'll see you guys there. Mwah.